Okay, so this just happened and I am really unsure right now whether I just scored a Chanel unicorn or I just got a handbag that looks like it came from the tween section at Walmart. Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's video, I am sharing with you the story behind this Chanel handbag, and this is actually a gift from my husband. Yes, it did come from Chanel and not from Walmart, but I have been teasing him because it really does have that sort of kitty vibe and it just reminds me of cotton candy. So I keep teasing him that it looks like it came from the kids section of Walmart. Anyways, before we go on with the story, let me just show you the handbag itself. And this is actually from the Chanel Métiers d'Art 2020 collection. It is the Chanel Reissue Wallet on chain. So yep, here you can see the colors. It is absolutely amazing. These are like stunning colors, but I mean, talk about a very bright and loud bag. So the first thing that I actually told my husband when I opened up this handbag is,
oh my god, did you just buy a handbag for yourself?
and I mean, my husband's not gay or anything, don't get the wrong impression. So in terms of like us as a couple, if there is a love story where opposites attract, that would definitely be us. So my aesthetics has always been something that is very minimal. I've always liked my neutral colors, and you know, most of the handbags in my collection are like black with gold hardware. Him, on the other hand, he loves his logos. He loves anything that is monogrammed, and he loves things that are in very bright and very neon type colors. So it really suits his personality as well because he's got a very bubbly personality. So anyways, whenever it comes to handbags, we always argue back and forth, and he would always be like, oh, that handbag would look so good on you, and I'd be like, it's orange, no possible way I'm going to go out in an orange handbag. So he really loves to tease me about this fact that I only buy black and neutral colored handbags. So very often he will go out and usually buy me a cheaper handbag that is in a very bright color, which I usually do not end up using, or I end up rehoming. Anyways, recently he went on a business trip to Monte Carlo, and I asked him if he could take a look at the Chanel store and just show me exactly what is available right now. And the first picture that he took was actually of the Chanel 255 reissue, which is the medium-sized version of this. And he's like,
wow, that is such a stunning handbag. Should I get it for you?
And I was like, are you absolutely insane? There's no possible way that I would wear a handbag like that. That just looks like it came from the tween section at Walmart. And I remember I said that exactly. So I thought that was end of story, but apparently he had already eyed this handbag for me, and he had already told the SA to get this one and wrap it up as a gift. So that is the story behind this handbag. So actually, when you see it in person, even though it is in this very bright and rainbow colored pattern, because of its small size, I do think that it would accent a plain outfit very nicely. So I'm going to do mod shots for you guys, but let me just show you up close first the details of this handbag, both on the back side and then also to the interior. One of the things that I really love about it is that no two handbags are the same. So this is in goatskin leather, and it does have like that sort of wrinkled sort of look. And yeah, this is very durable. It is also scratch resistant and water resistant, which is really good. The turn lock is in champagne gold hardware, as well as the chain. So the chain is the same as the regular reissue chain, which doesn't have any leather portion. And then once you open up the turn lock in here, you have like, well, mine goes through gold and blue up here, but a lot of the other ones are different in color. And I am actually unsure how the interior of the other handbag looks, but mine is in gold. And then it has, of course, all of the card slots, and then it also has this gold pocket, which is in leather. So this is lined in fabric, but there is one slip pocket right here in front, which is in gold leather. And then you have that back pocket also right here, the zipper right at the top, and then it opens up to the back right there, which I really actually love the back part the most on this handbag. Unfortunately, it is to the back, but I really do love the colorway of like the blue and the pink and the gold fading into each other. I find that it's super pretty. So that's how it looks to the side. It's not a very big handbag. The only thing that you could put in here is really just your cell phone. So I have the iPhone Pro Max and maybe a lipstick. And that's really all that would fit on the inside of this handbag. And then of course you would put your credit cards and your cash as well. And there is of course that small zip pocket, which you can use for like coins or really small objects, I guess. But it's kind of like a bag that doesn't really expand too much. So I don't think that you can stuff this bag really full. And then to the front pocket right here, I just have the authenticity card. So this is a Series 30 handbag. And yeah, that would make sense. Made this year, and then this is made in France as well. And then for the pricing, my husband actually left the receipt because he thought I might actually exchange the handbag or something, just in case. Anyways, it was, oh, he got it in Monte Carlo and it was 2,500 euros. So yeah, they are using, yes, right, they use euros there. So this bag was 2,580 and you can actually get a tax refund on it. But unfortunately, my husband, being my husband, actually didn't get any tax refund because he was running late at the airport. So anyways, yeah, you can get this for a really good price in Europe. I also asked him to ask the price of the micro bags. So you know the Chanel micro bags that are super popular right now. I'm sure you've seen it all over Instagram. It's got like a briefcase and then it has like the classic flap. It also has the Gabrielle and it's so cute. But apparently it's 28,000 euros. And I was just like, oh my god, at that price, you know, you really have to have some serious cash to burn and really be a avid Chanel collector. So I was just like, okay, never mind. Get out of the store. Don't buy me that. Definitely not worth the investment. But anyways, if you guys are interested in that one, that was 28,000 euros. Let's move on to mod shots. And one of the things that I really like about this handbag is that the chain is slightly shorter than the classic wallet on chain. So it does sit higher on me, and I find that the classic wallet on chain is just a tad bit too long, even if you are wearing it crossbody. This one actually fits very comfortably when you are wearing it crossbody. I find the chain slightly long on me, but if you are taller, and I am 5'4" for height reference, but if you are slightly taller than me, like 5'5" or taller, then you will find that this is actually the perfect length. The other way that I like to wear this handbag is I actually cross the chains on the inside just to make it a little bit shorter, and this way you can wear it as a shoulder bag rather than wearing it as a crossbody. And I find that this is also very comfortable to wear, and it just hits me right below my bust line. So that is the story behind this handbag, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed that. Every time a handbag has a story or represents a milestone in my life, I really feel that the bag is so much more precious to me. Let me know in the comments down below if you feel the same way, or which is your favorite handbag and what is the story behind it. Anyways guys, thank you all for watching, and I will see all of you in the next video. Bye bye!